So hello you guys, I'm back again this time with a delicious eat. Delicious macaroni and cheese. Okay, let's get started. So to here I just have about a pound of macaroni and I boiled it 6 minutes. Now the package may say 8 minutes, but you want to cook it a little bit less than that because you're going to put it in the oven and then finish cooking. Okay, so now I'm going to I have 1 cup of melted butter. And you always want to put your butter on your macaroni first because it will help all the other seasonings to stick to the noodles. And I'm just going to give this a little stir. This is delicious and it's so easy to make. Your family will love it. Okay, so that's 1 stick of melted butter. And I'm just making sure all of the noodles are coated. And they are. And I'm going to come in with onion powder. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. This is 1. And I'm just breaking it all over. And 2. Okay, so that's 2 tablespoons of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Now, if you don't really like onion that much, you can use 1 tablespoon if you want. But this is a lot of noodles, so you want the flavor to come through. But again, you can use 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Into that, now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Yes, I'm going a little bit lighter on the black pepper because not everyone could take the strong flavor. But in my house, we're pretty good with that. And again, you just want to sprinkle that all over. And a little bit of black pepper goes a long way. Please take a minute, hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers, and to celebrate, I'm going to do a giveaway. Just enter giveaway in the comments so you can get one of the gift cards. Hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Okay, so you see, because I put the butter on first, the seasonings is actually sticking to the noodles, and that's what you want to see. Not the noodles, the macaroni. Okay, so now I'm using chicken broth. And I'm using reduced sodium. It's chicken bouillon, which gives you the flavor of chicken broth, but a little bit better. And I'm using reduced sodium. But if sodium isn't an issue for you, you don't have to use the reduced sodium one. All ingredients will be in the description box, or measurements as well. Okay. So I have 2 packs, and I'm just going to sprinkle that over. And I know you probably don't think these ingredients taste well together, but give it a try. 1.5. Okay, let me give it a stir. Let me see. Yes, it's really sticking to the noodles, and it's doing that because I put the butter on first. Okay. Now in this cup, I have 2 medium eggs beating and about 6 ounces of evaporated milk. And evaporated milk makes it taste really creamy. So, yeah. Just good old-fashioned evaporated milk. So, again, 6 ounces of evaporated milk and 2 medium eggs. And the eggs is just there to hold it together. But if you like for your macaroni to be a little bit more loose, then you don't have to add 2 eggs. You don't have to add eggs at all, actually. But this is make it firm. Okay, now for the part that really matters. Cheese. I'm using mild cheddar. You can use sharp, but again, it's a very strong flavor. So you may want to start off with mild. And this is 8 ounces. And I'm going to use the whole 8 ounces. And Colby and Monterey Jack. Now you can buy it separate, Colby and Monterey Jack separate, or you could buy it combined. I just bought it combined because it was on sale at the market. You also can shred it yourself, buy it in block and shred it. But I bought it shredded just to save time. On a weeknight, you really don't want to have to do that. You just want to get something in the oven and delicious and on the table. Okay, so now just mix all of this together. Looks like it's coming along, and you just want to thoroughly mix it. There we go. This is so delicious. Please give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Maybe you didn't use Colby or Monterey Jack. Maybe use a different type of cheese. Gouda cheese. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so let me get a bowl. Another bowl, actually. Okay, so let's see if I can get all of this in. I think we can. There we go. Oh, that's going to be delicious. Okay. And you just want to make sure it's evenly in your baking pan or baking dish. And you're just really putting this in the oven because you want the cheese to melt, because basically everything is done. And I'm going to top it with a little bit of more mild cheddar. Let's face it, you can't go wrong with adding more cheese to macaroni and cheese. Okay, there we go. Let's put a little bit more. You want every part to be covered with cheese, so no one have to fight over the cheesiest part of the macaroni and cheese. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get this in the oven. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 300. I'm gonna check on it about 15 or 20 minutes. It should be done. Okay. In the oven it goes. And then you have it. Delicious macaroni and cheese, cooked in a few minutes. Please give this a try. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. Let me know how you liked it. Would you have changed something? Maybe you wouldn't put mozzarella cheese. Maybe you would have put mozzarella cheese instead of cheddar cheese. Well, until next time, enjoy.